Welcome to my creative channel Dildo Workshop. In this video I'll show you how to create handmade gorgeous brooch flower. You will need a copper wire for jewelry making, bugle beads, crystal beads, metal base, beads and hot glue. You can find and order this brooch on my online store. Don't forget to subscribe and press bell icon to see all new videos. Enjoy watching! That's all, my dear audience. I hope you like this tutorial. I will be very glad to know your opinion. Write your comments about brooches, do you like them or not? I want to make one more tutorial about another brooch, and a new video will appear on my channel soon. Click on the bell icon to not miss updates. That's it, put your thumbs up to this video. Love you, take care, bye!